Hey, today I will tell you about the best service in the category Top Freelancer Sites. Having studied a huge number of services, I chose the most reliable one for myself. This freelance exchange gives you the opportunity to remotely earn on your unique abilities and skills. I want to tell you about 3 useful features that few people know about, but which really make this service the best in the Top Freelancer Sites category. Take a good look at the screen so you don't miss the most important thing.
SEOClerks is simply an online marketplace offering SEO services and other digital marketing related offerings. Simply put, SEOClerks is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell SEO and other digital marketing related services. About 80% of the services offered by various freelancers and agencies on the SEOClerks platform are SEO services. Today, SEOClerks has over 700,000 members, over 370,000 services are advertised, and over 4 million orders processed. These are the main services offered by SEOClerks. Link building. You can buy blog comments, private blog network services, directory submission services, Web 2.0. Art and design. You can buy graphics and logos like Facebook cover, Google Plus cover, Twitter background, YouTube channel banner, and business card designs. Content writing. You can buy article writing, email and newsletter, ebook, article translation. Programming. You can buy programming and coding services for WordPress, HTML, CSS, PHP. Buy guest posts. Social media. You can hire freelancers to perform services and social media campaigns. SEO in place. You can buy traffic for your sites. SEOClerks platform is easy to use. The first thing you need to do is register on the platform. You can simply visit the website and click the Join button, and you will be prompted for your desired username, email address, and password. The registration process is very simple. After registering, you will become a proud member of the SEOClerks community. You can start buying or selling SEO services as you see fit. This article will focus on buying SEO services. Once registered, you can start exploring the site looking for the SEO services you want. Services are divided into groups, or you can just use the search bar. Various filters are also available to help you refine your search. Now let's talk a little about the payment methods on the SEOClerks platform. If you're wondering what payment methods you can use on SEOClerks, here's the answer. There are 2 main factors that affect the availability of payment methods at SEOClerks, and these are your geographic location and SIFT science rating. Generally speaking, there are several main payment methods available on SEOClerks platform: bank, credit card, PayPal, BTC. To withdraw funds by the seller or partner, you can use PayPal, Hyperwallet, or Payoneer. Remember that you can only withdraw funds that have been earned. The funds deposited on the balance cannot be withdrawn. They can only be spent on purchases on the site. SEOClerks has more than a great affiliate program. Easy to join, great for people just getting started with affiliate marketing. All you need to do is create an account on SEOClerks platform and you're done. There is no separate page for affiliates. After creating an account with SEOClerks, you can directly access the affiliate program. Once you have created an account, you go to your account and then to Balance to open your dashboard. On the dashboard, under the Sales section, you will find the Affiliate Sales option. Benefits of SEOClerks affiliate program: 10% lifetime commission for every purchase made through your link, special support, API, easy to join. You can promote your affiliate links in various ways. For example, you can write a blog, publish or view an article about SEOClerks and share with your friends. Place SEOClerks advertising banners on your website or blog to attract audience. Send emails or newsletters about SEOClerks to your subscribers list. Promote SEOClerks on your social profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or LinkedIn.